Your primary insurance amount, the amount of your Social Security at your full retirement age, is based off your top 35 years of adjusted income using indexing factors to account for inflation. If you made $5,000 for the entire year in 1957, how much would you have to make today to have the same buying power? If you made $5,000 for the entire year in 1957, today you would have to make $66,815 to have the same purchasing power. That's why Social Security will apply index factors to every year you worked up to age 62, and after age 62, they will use your actual earnings when calculating your average index monthly earnings. Your average index monthly earnings are part of the formula that the Social Security Administration uses to calculate your retirement benefits. They will take your top 35 years of adjusted income and add them all together. Then they will take that huge number and divide by 35 for 35 years, and then by 12 for 12 months to get your average indexed monthly earnings, which is basically your average monthly income in today's dollars. Once you have your average indexed monthly earnings, Social Security breaks it up into 3 bend points. But it's easier if you think about them as buckets. They want to pay a higher rate of return to lower income individuals, so everyone gets 90% of bucket 1, which is the first $960 of your average indexed monthly earnings. Then it drops down to 32% in bucket 2. And if your average indexed monthly earnings is higher than $5,785, you will get only 15% in bucket 3. They then add those 3 numbers together to get your primary insurance amount. Well, that was the complicated way to explain things. A much easier way to look at things is if you make a little over $18,000 per year, you will get around $1,000 per month. But if you make over $40,000 per year, which is more than double, you will only get a little over $1,500 per month. So, as you can see, the more you make, the lower percentage you get paid back on your Social Security benefits. Social Security retirement benefits are paid based on the actual day of the month you were born. So, if you were born between the 1st and the 10th of the month, you will get your benefit check on the 2nd Wednesday. And if you were born between the 11th and the 20th of the month, you will get your benefit check on the 3rd Wednesday. And finally, for those of you that were born on the 21st of the month or after, you will get your benefit check on the 4th Wednesday of the month. And remember, Social Security always pays a month behind. How much can you work under Social Security? If you are under your full retirement age for the entire year and receiving a Social Security check, your earned income cannot be more than $18,240 per year, which is $1,520 per month. Anything you make over that, Social Security will take 50% away from your Social Security the following year. However, once you reach your full retirement age, working will not affect your Social Security benefits because you are no longer subject to the annual earnings test.